Park family, we have a new book for you guys today, and this is a musical book called Lost and Found. What's That Sound? Your job is to listen to the sound of the musical instrument and decide what instrument you think made that noise. And this is a story written by Jonathan Ying and shared with permission from HarperCollins Publishers. Lost and Found, What's That Sound? Welcome to the Lost and Found, where we find items by the sound. The thing I lost goes toot, toot, toot. I spent all day in hot pursuit. What instrument do you think sounds a little bit like toot, toot, toot? Ah, that's what I was looking for. My trumpet is lost no more. A trumpet makes the toot, toot, toot sound. The thing I lost goes ding, ding, ding. Have you heard of such a thing? Ooh, what instrument? My triangle, you found it there. Thank you kindly, Mr. Hare. A triangle sounds like that. The thing I lost goes plink, plink, plunk. I play it with my big long trunk. Plink, plank, plunk. What has keys that you would plunk? Ah, did you guess? My piano, may I have it please? I need some time to tune the keys. The piano, that is right. The thing I lost goes boom, boom, boom. Have you seen it in this room? What would make a big, loud, banging sound like that? My drum, I see you found it, wow. Just hang on, guys, I'm ready now. At last I found the lost and found. The things I lost make many sounds. Like toot, toot, ding, and plunk, boom, boom. I really need to find them soon. I hear the things you're looking for. The sounds are coming from next door. You found my things, they sound so grand. 1, 2, 3, let's hit it band. Toot, ding, plunk, boom. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed our story, Lost and Found, What's That Sound? And the cool thing is you guys can do a little lost and found of your own, looking around your house for different things that might make musical sounds. You might be able to find something that can make a ding or a boom. Just make sure you get permission from your parents or your guardian before you go looking around for those instruments. I hope you guys have a lot of fun, and we'll be back real soon for a new story for our Story Time with Mr. Shane series. Take care, guys. Bye.